Welcome to Lesson 23, Printers, the second most common help desk ticket you'll ever touch. Here's the dirty secret of the industry. The printer itself is practically given away because vendors make their real money on ink, toner, and paper. Over the next 4 pieces, we'll walk through inkjet versus laser, network printer setup, drivers and maintenance, and finish with scanners and MFPs. So, by the end, any won't print ticket closes in under 5 minutes. So let's start with the most basic split, inkjet versus laser. Inkjet sprays liquid ink, cheap to buy, beautiful for photos, but the cartridges clog if they sit for a few weeks, and the ink itself is brutally expensive per page. Laser fuses dry toner powder with heat. Costs more upfront, but you'll get razor-sharp text, 20 to 50 pages a minute, and toner that still works after months in a drawer. Here's the math that matters. Roughly 20 cents a page for inkjet versus 3 cents for laser. 7 times the cost. So the rule is simple. Photos or under 50 pages a month, go inkjet. Office text or anything heavy, always laser. Now, once you've picked laser for the office, the next reality hits, that one printer needs to serve 20 people. So it doesn't plug into someone's PC, it joins the network, gets its own IP address, and every workstation points to it. Modern protocols like AirPrint on Apple and WS Print on Windows make the printer just show up when users hit print, no driver hunt needed. For bigger offices, you'll add a print server to manage queues and track usage, but here's the one step you must never skip. Set a static IP or a DHCP reservation on the router, because the day that IP changes, 20 people file a can't print ticket at the same time. And while we're talking real-world costs, here's the dirty secret of the printer industry. The hardware is bait. The vendor loses money on the box and makes it all back on consumables. Look at the spread. An inkjet color photo runs you 30 cents a page, while laser black and white sits at 1.5. That's a 20 times difference. So for an office printing 5,000 pages a year, choosing laser over inkjet saves about $225 annually. Always run the cost per page math before you sign the purchase order, not after. Once you've picked the right printer, the next reality is that things break. And 90% of the time, it's one of 4 problems. Drivers, let the OS auto-detect for basic printing. Grab the vendor driver only when you need duplex or scan to PDF. Paper jam, open every door, pull slowly in the direction the paper was already traveling, and hunt down every torn scrap with a flashlight. Low ink, ignore that 20% warning. You've got 100 to 300 pages left, and queue stuck. Cancel all jobs, then restart the print spooler service. Master these 4, and you're closing tickets in under 5 minutes. Now, that same printer in most offices isn't just a printer. It's an MFP, a multi-function box that scans, copies, and still faxes for the legal and medical folks. You'll see 2 scanning surfaces on it, a flatbed under the lid for books, photos, and fragile IDs at 1200 dpi, and a sheet-fed ADF on top that chews through 20 to 50 pages a minute, often duplexing both sides automatically. The real workflow win, though, is scan to email or scan to network folder. Set it up once on the panel, and users never touch a PC to digitize a stack again. All right, let's put it all together with 4 tickets you'll actually see this week. Ticket 1, nothing happens. Walk the chain. Power, paper, queue, IP, driver. That clears 95% of cases. Ticket 2, white stripes. Inkjet means clogged head, run the cleaning cycle. Laser means dirty drum or low toner. Give it a gentle shake. Ticket 3, the buyer asking what to get for a small office. Mono laser, MFP, 3 to 450, 3 cents a page, never inkjet. And ticket 4, iPhone won't print. Flip on AirPrint or install the vendor app. That's your printer day, handled. Before we wrap, here's your cheat sheet. The 12 words that show up on every spec sheet, every invoice, every ticket you'll touch. You already know inkjet versus laser, toner, and AirPrint from earlier. The ones to really lock in are DPI for resolution, PPM for speed, CPP for that cost per page math we did, MFP for the all-in-one box you'll recommend, and Spooler, because when Windows print queue jams, that's the service you restart. Speak this language and you'll sound like a senior on day one. Now for the myths that'll come at you from end users. Memorize these because you'll debunk each one within your first month. A $60 printer is almost never a deal. Vendors lose money on the box and make it back on cartridges, so always run 3-year math. Refilling cartridges. Risky, chip locks, clogged heads, voided warranty. Color laser is no longer a luxury. Entry MFPs beat inkjets on cost after about a year. Wi-Fi printers drop offline constantly, so hardwire office units to Ethernet. And don't power cycle lasers nightly. Sleep mode draws 5 watts, and the fuser hates cold starts. And that's printers locked in. 4 things to carry with you. Inkjet for photos, laser for text. Put network printers on a static IP. Cost per page always beats sticker price. And clear that queue before you touch anything else. Next up, Lesson 24, USB, cables, and adapters. We'll untangle USB 2, 3, 4, USB-C, and Thunderbolt. Sort out docking stations, and after that, it's just one lesson plus the capstone before Stage 3 wraps. See you there.